Hello, in this video I will explain how to prepare the conveyor style project. Okay, I would like to machine every side of this part. Okay, to machine from the right side, I create part, and I would like to load the devices. Very good. And define the part in the devices. If I move it, devices will move with my part. To resolve it, I need to fix my devices to machine, and after that move the part. Okay, rotate this way, and from this side to 0 and move it. Okay, that's all. So it will be my first setup stage, and also I need to locate my origin, for example, to this position, G54. After that, I create the operations, for example, face milling, roughing waterline. I will not fill the parameters here because another topic of this video. And the next step, I would like to machine another part, the same part, but from another side. Create new part, and again create new, load the same devices. Move it and rotate another side, machine another. Okay, again the same. Set machine and another side of my okay, that's good. If I want to select, I can disable the visibility of one part by this button, and after that set the correct position of the second part. Okay, enable visibility. Again, create operations, face milling, roughing waterline, and create the third side, again part, sorry, again devices, locate devices to this place and locate the part same way. Okay, I will not. What is important? What is important? When I create every part, the part is defined for the part of previous operation. So we will machine exactly the same part. And the workpiece, it's a machining result of the previous operation. So in the workpiece for the second part will be result of the first of the part number 1. It's very important. And okay, what we will have in result, I just load the prepared project. Yes, make the workpieces visible. So we can see the total workpiece, initial workpiece is here, and partially machined workpieces here, and almost machined workpieces here. If so, part number 1, 2, 3. If I click reordering, we can see that first tool, tool number 9, 10, 11, and the last drill. If I go to simulation and click reset, we can see the initiated workpieces for every part. And if I will simulate, we can see the first same tool, another part. After that, tool change, this tool, first part, and finally same tool, another part, tool change, again third tool, this and this, and the last tool, drilling. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.